Hello friends, questions. Not true about innate immunity is not influenced by hormones. False. It is influenced by hormones like insulin, corticosteroids and everything. It depends upon genetic constitution. True. Identical twins have same degree of resistance. True, almost true. Not influenced by exposure of antigen. No, it is influenced by exposure of antigen. If antigen exposure is more, obviously the immunity or antibodies which produced are also more. All are true about innate immunity except innate immunity acts as a first line of defense. True. Complements are examples. Yes. Non-specific. Innate immunity is non-specific. Acquired immunity is specific. Not affected by genetic influences. Actually, innate immunity is affected by genetic influences or constitutional makeup. Especially this proves with twin studies. Then transfer factor is an example of adaptive immunity. Components of innate immunity are complements, NK cells and integrins. Components of innate immunity are complements, NK cells and integrins. Innate immunity is stimulated in which part of bacteria? It is stimulated in carbohydrate sequence in the cell wall. Innate immunity is stimulated in carbohydrate sequence of cell wall. Acute phase reactants in acute inflammation include albumin, fibrinogen and haptoglobulin. C-reactive proteins are beta-1 globulin, non-specific inflammatory protein. C-reactive proteins are beta-1 globulin and non-specific inflammatory protein. Span of C-reactive protein half-life is 18 hours. Span of C-reactive protein half-life is 18 hours. Super antigen. Super antigen causes a lot enhanced activation of B cells. That is polyclonal activation of B cells is caused by super antigen. Which bacteria is mostly antigenic? Which part of bacteria is mostly antigenic? Proteinaceous part of bacteria is mostly antigenic. T cell independent antigen acts through B cells. Okay, because T cell independent antigen acts through B cells because the CD8 cells, CD4 cells and macrophages, all these are T cell dependent. Super antigen produced by the following pathogens. It is produced by Staphylococcal aureus causing toxic shock syndrome. It is also produced by rabies and HIV. Super antigen is not produced by Enterococcus faecalis. A super antigen is a bacterial product that binds to beta chain of TCR stimulating T cell activation. A super antigen is a bacterial product that binds to beta chain of TCR stimulating T cell activation. Super antigens are staphylococcal toxic shock syndrome toxins are the super antigen. All of the following statements about carbohydrate antigens are true except carbohydrate antigens have lower immunogenicity. True, because proteins have higher immunogenicity. Carbohydrate antigens cause polyclonal B cell stimulation. Yes, they does not require stimulation by T cells. Yes, memory response has no action about carbohydrates antigen. Next. Vaccination is based on the principle of immunological memory. That means if you give the vaccination today, the antibodies which are produced by our body, the memory of that antibody production will be present in our body for our lifetime. So that is the main principle behind vaccination. Antibody diversity is due to gene rearrangement and mutations are responsible for antibody diversity. Somatic hypermutations and recombinations of VDJ segments joining the gene rearrangement are one of the important mechanisms involved in antibiotic diversity. In antibiotic diversity, there are around 1010 antibodies that can be generated against various antigenic stimuli. The antibody diversity is possibly due to the presence of germline gene segments, recombination of VDJ segments joining, junctional flexibility, P region nucleotide addition, that is P addition, N region nucleotide addition, that is N addition, and somatic hypermutation. Which of the following statements is true about isotype variation? In isotype variation, we have changes in heavy chain and light chain in constant region is responsible for class and subclass of amino acids. Then all of the following statements about hybridoma technology are true. In hybridoma technology, specific antibody producing cells are integrated with myeloma cells. Yes. Aminopterin, a folate antagonist, inhibits de novo pathway. HGPRT ACE and thiamidylate synthetase are required for salvage pathway. True. Myeloma cells with mutation in salvage pathway grows well in HAT medium is false. So what is hybridoma technology? We will learn about this now. Hybridoma technology is mainly done for mass production of monoclonal antibodies. Here, a normal activated antibody producing B cell is fused with the myeloma cell, and this will result in production of hybridoma. These hybridoma cells have the property of normal activated antibody producing B and myeloma cells. The procedure is, here a mouse is injected with desired antigen. Then after injecting the mouse with desired antigen, we will leave the mouse for some time for development of immunization, and then we will isolate the mouse spleen B cells, which are HGPRT positive and immunoglobulin negative, and we will mix these spleen B cells with myeloma cells. Okay, these myeloma cells are HGPRT negative and immunoglobulin negative, and both these are allowed to grow in HAT media. What is HAT medium? HAT medium is hypoxanthine, aminopterin and thiamine medium. Purine synthesis in mammalian cells occurs by either de novo or salvage pathway. Aminopterin will block the de novo pathway. Okay, and salvage pathway requires HGPRT. So any cell that lacks this HGPRT cannot grow on HAT medium, and the cells which has HGPRT can be grown in HAT medium. So this is about the important points. Then when papain cleaves IgG antibody, it produces 2 FAB regions and 1 FC region. So if this is the region, if the papain cleaves like this, it produces 2 FAB regions and 1 FC regions. Okay. The immunoglobulin IgG has maximum concentration in the serum. IgA is present maximum in the secretions. Immunoglobulin that helps in upsonization is IgG immunoglobulin helps in upsonization, and C3b is also used in upsonization. Serum concentration of which of the following human IgG subclass is maximum? IgG1 concentration of IgG subclass is maximum. So these are the some questions. Thank you for watching.